4 steps to the right, 4 steps to the left, okay?
Kalula to the left.
Try and watch. This is Tim Hart. She's gonna show you how to go. Okay?
Sorry, you should have took off your hat.
Kalula to the right. Watch it. You guys got it? One more time. Kalula to the right.
I can see Kimmy.
Okay.
I can see Kimmy.
So the feet.
I can see Kimmy.
The whole song. That's what the feet does, okay? So the hands, you're gonna walk with you in the hands. So I'm the voice, and Tiba's gonna be your image. So you can watch her and follow her, okay? So she's gonna mirror you, okay? So when we're going to Hukilau, you put your right hand out, stick your thumbs out like you're hitchhiking. Hopefully you guys don't know what that is, but we're gonna hitchhike anyway. And over going, we'll make this motion, over going to a Hukilau. And the Hukilau is those big nets we throw in the water and then we pull it in. So you gotta pull those big nets in to the Hukilau. Everybody loves the Hukilau. One time for the nets. Where the lau lau, pick your plate of food, is the cow cow into your mouth at the big lau. Okay, pay attention. We throw our nets from your shoulder out into the sea. Throw our nets out into the sea. Make your little ocean motion. And all the little fish, thumb over, hand over hand, and let your thumbs go. Okay, this is very key to make sure your fish has 2 fins swimming, or else it will swim in a circle. All the little fish come swimming to me. Okay, or we're going hitchhiking motion one more time to the Hukilau. To Hukilau, okay? And one more thing, when you finish the song, how we end the song is we tap our shoulder like that. Point hand straight out. You step back with your right foot. Step back, sir. Step back. Come on now. We're in school. Okay? And that's how we end our song. So let's try to take it one step slow. Here's how we do Hukilau. Hold to the right. Everybody loves the Hukilau. Where the lau lau is the cow cow.
Teach me how to jerk. Did you teach me how to jerk?
We throw our nets.
Thank you, leg, Cody. Thank you, leg.
Swimming to Hukilau. Okay, we do a little bit faster because you guys are so good. Although some of you guys, I don't know what's going on. Here we go. Hold to the right. Over to Hukilau. Hukilau. Everybody loves the Hukilau. Where the lau lau is the cow cow at the big lau.
Cody's home alone.
Out into the sea, and all the come swimming to me. Going to Hukilau. A hooky, hooky, hooky.